Hello everyone, welcome here in 6th class mathematics. Students, today we will start percentage. Yes, percentage and also we will start exercise 5F. Yes, first come to this, what is percentage? A percentage is a special form of fraction in which the denominator is always 100. Yes. The word percentage means in every 100. The symbol for percentage is this. This is the symbol of percentage. So 27 upon 100. Yes, if there are 100 in denominator, this is in percentage form. We will take numerator. Yes, this will be equal to 27%. Yes, denotes as 27%. Okay. 27 upon 100 in percentage form we will write this 27%. Yes, with sign. With this sign, no need to put the 100 in denominator. Yes, if we will remove this sign of percentage, then we will put 100 in denominator. Next, 3 upon 100 is 3%. Yes, 3 upon 100 is equal to 3%. Here 3%, 3 upon 100 is 3%. Thus, in a fraction with the denominator 100, the numerator indicates the percentage. Numerator indicates percentage. Here 27 upon 100, numerator is 27. This indicates percentage, 27%. Here in 3 upon 100, 3 indicates percentage. 3 upon 100 is equal to 3%. Next, in 37 upon 100, the denominator is 100 and the numerator is 37. Yes, in percentage form we can write this 37%. Now 72% is equal to, we will write this with the symbol 72% and 100 with denominator we will write like this. 72 upon 100 without this symbol of percentage. And this is also equal to 72 ratio 100. This is in ratio form, 72 ratio 100. In other words, a percentage is a ratio in which the second term is 100. First term, in this example 1, 7 and the second is 100. 7 upon 100 fractional form and with the sign of percentage, this is 7%. Now student, you will get all these things very well during exercise. Come to the exercise 5F. In exercise 5F, question number 1 is write each of the following as a percentage. Yes, part 1 is 6 upon 100. Student, as we know, we have to represent percentage by numerator. If 100 is there in denominator, yes, here 100 in denominator, that's why this numerator we will represent as a percentage. Yes, this is 6%. 15 upon 100, yes, we will write here 15%. In other words, we can say that we will remove this 100 and we will put here percentage sign with this 15. Yes. Student, yes, rest part you will try yourself of this question number 1. Now come to this question number 2. Question number 2, convert each of the following percentage into a fraction with 100 as the denominator. Yes. Here first part is 1%. If we will remove this sign of percentage, we have to write 100 in denominator. Yes, we will write this 1% is equal to 1 upon 100. Second, 10%. Yes, remove the sign of percentage, then we will write 100 in denominator, 10 upon 100. Third, 28%. Yes, 28%. We have to write this into a fraction with 100. Yes, if we will remove the sign of percentage, we have to write 100 in denominator. Now this is in fraction form. 28 upon 100. This is required fraction. Yes, we have to write 100 in denominator. Like this, student, rest part of this question number 2 you have to do yourself. Come to this question number 3. Convert the following percentage into fractions in their simplest forms. Means lowest term we have to find. First part, 50%. First we will remove this sign of percentage. Then in place of this sign of percentage we have to write 100 in denominator. Now this is equal to 50 upon 100. Yes, 51 is 15, 51 is 50, 52 is 100. Lowest term is here 1 upon 2, and this is also fraction form. Second part, 25%. Yes, first we will remove this sign of percentage. We will write this 25 upon 100. 25 and 100 both are divisible by 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, and 0. 5 upon 20. Now 5 upon 20, yes, these again divisible by 5. 5 1 is 5, 5 4s are 20. 1 upon 4, this is the lowest term. Yes, and fractional form. Third part is here 75%. Yes, after removing this sign we are getting 75 upon 100. 75 and 100 both are divisible by 25. 25 3s are 75. 25 4s are 100. 3 upon 4. This is the required fractional form. Now come to question number 4. Fill in the blanks. Yes, first is here 13%. Here, student, on right hand side we have 100 in denominator. Yes, and we get this after removing this sign. Yes, without this sign we will write this 13% is equal to 13 upon 100. 21%. 21 is here. This is given in numerator. In denominator we will write 100. Okay. 28%. Yes, here 100 in denominator, we will write in numerator 68, because percentage is indicated by numerator. Fourth is 120%. Here 100 in denominator, that's why we will write in numerator 120. 120 we will write. So student, rest part of this question number 4 you have to try yourself, and up to next video. Thank you.